Hey guys, this is Biraj Karki from Mr. Coder, and in this video I will show you how to make a transparent TikTok profile image. TikTok allows you to use a transparent image as a profile picture. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the background eraser app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go to open it, press on the load a photo and upload an image from your camera roll. It does not matter what picture you take because it will be erased. Hit the done icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now erase your uploaded image. Now tap done one more time. Click the save icon. After that, go back to your TikTok profile page. Hit the edit profile button. Press on the camera icon. Tap the select from gallery option from the pop-up menu. Upload an image that you have recently created. Now confirm it. Save it. Now restart your TikTok app. That's it. I hope this guide will helpful and you were able to make a transparent TikTok profile image. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.